Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Pontiac GTO hardtop. This car I filmed at a car show that I went to in Weatherford, Oklahoma, which was right off the I-40. And it was a real nice car. It was restored, had the Endura bumper, the optional hideaway headlights. I believe it's the standard 400 engine, the 350 horsepower with a 4-speed, and was in nice maroon color with the red interior, which is a good combination. And it looked to be probably a ground-up restoration done on the car. It was a real nice car, and this show had quite a few nice cars in it, which I've been featuring lately. And which is surprising because, like I said, it's just a small town in Oklahoma, about 12,000 people. But they sure have some nice cars there, that's for sure. And anyway, as far as the GTO, that was the second generation 1968 for the GTO. And they shortened the wheelbase to 112 inches and shortened the car's length 5.9 inches. So it was a smaller car and had more of a Coke bottle shape to it. Did really good as far as numbers go. It ended up being the second best-selling GTO for the 1968 model. They made 87,684 units, and out of that, you had 9,980 were convertibles, and 77,704 were the hardtop coupes. And this particular one, I think I think it's the standard engine, the 400 with the 4-speed. They made 25,371. Mid-year, they came out with the high output one, which they made 3,140 automatics and 6,197 with the 4-speed on the high output. And then they had the Ram Air engine. That one had 757 were the 4-speed and 183 automatics. They did make 2,841 400 two-barrel with the automatic transmission. And as far as the convertibles go, they made 92 Ram Air 4-speeds and 22 Ram Air automatics. The 400 high output, they made 666 4-speeds and 461 with the automatic transmission. With the standard engine, standard 400, they had 3,116 4-speeds and 5,091 with the automatic. And they made 432 with the 400 with the two-barrel with the automatic transmission. And they didn't make any 400 two-barrels with the 4-speed in the hardtop or the convertible. But anyway, that's the production numbers for the GTO. This one had the Endura bumper, like I said, and the hideaway headlights, which were a popular option for the car. And they came standard with redline tires, which was neat. It was also the Motor Trend's Car of the Year for 1968. So that was nice, and that helped the sales on them. I think it was still the top-selling muscle car in 1968. So, but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Pontiac GTO 400 with a 4-speed. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, I appreciate it. You can tell a friend, share the video, share my channel Car Finder with them, or share it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.